Alright, so I made it run. It didn't run bad. I don't believe I caught any of it on video. But there it is. It did run. Oh joy. Clifford and the junk boat, and we got Dad's truck, my other trailer's over there, and we got the gooseneck and some other trucks, then another parts truck. A little update, I sold Ed, which was my single cab long bed dually. I bought it off a guy that I work with. It was one of his buddies, and I was gonna put a flatbed on it, but then I found Clifford, so I decided to sell it. I went to some old guy who my buddy Seth sells tools to him, so now he's gonna probably fix it and drive it, so it'll be a good little truck for him. He came and got that this week. And then the title showed up yesterday, so now I got to go transfer the title. It took 4 months to get that title back from Ohio. I went to from Ohio to PA, and it took 4 months to get it. That's not as bad as Pat's title. Pat's title is at least 6 months to get. We'll get this all set in, it'll look good. Put the vapor barrier down and then lay the stuff right over top of it and ready for concrete.
Where you going? You're going that way. That's that. What do they charge for a triaxle? You gotta flip it over anyway.
Yep. Hold on, Dad, I'm on it. Ooh.
Huh? You mine. Thank you. What's that?
Here you go, Mr. Roller. Easy.
Once that come up, whack me in the back of the head. Yeah. Where are you going?
Ooh, watch yourself, KJ. Roller. Come on, roller guy.
Roly poly. Is it roly poly? Something on Nickelodeon.
I have no idea. I've never watched Nickelodeon in my life.
It was when my kids were young. He was a roller, like a concrete roller, and they called him Roly Poly. Well, he's got a terrible day to fly. Hi, Jack. Jack came to visit. Hi, Jules. Say hi to the people.
Hi, people. Okay.
I can't come this way with you holding on there.
Ooh, please.
Relax. Relax. I got you. I'm not letting you know. You're killing me.
Can't kill him.
Hey, Jack, oh boy.
Hi, Jack. What you doing, buddy? Oh. Hi. Hey. Hi. Oh, hi. What you doing?
Sounds like he's thirsty. Give him some water there.
Jack's always thirsty. Bye, Jack. Yeah?
Oh, you just looked on the mud.
All right, which way you going, Kendall?
Whichever way doesn't hurt.
Watch out, Cheryl.
I'm watching.
Okay. Yeah. Good there? Yep.
Can you get off this for a second? Time
That's
to
okay.
go to slack.
No, we're good.
He's got to bend it
He's got
up.
to bend it three back. I can come this way just a little bit. Over here, a little bit top. That was a little bit.
A little bit much.
All right, we're good now.
Come over here, Jack. Hey.
Come on, Jack.
Jack, you better listen.